Hi, welcome back to From My Tiny Kitchen. Watch the step-by-step video and learn how to make this no-bake layered apple pastry. The recipe is in the description. Start by peeling and coring your apples, then cut them into small pieces. Add in the sugar, cinnamon powder, and raisins. Bring to a boil on medium heat. After about 5 minutes of cooking covered, mix together your corn flour and water until smooth and add to the apple mixture. Cook until thickened and leave to cool while you make the dough. These are the ingredients for the first dough. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Start by adding your plain flour into a medium mixing bowl, followed by cold water and oil. Mix to form a dough. Roll out into a ball and divide into 6 pieces. Then roll each piece out into a ball. Then place on a tray and cover with cling film. Leave aside for later. These are the ingredients you'd need for the second dough. Add the flour into a medium mixing bowl, along with the oil, and mix together. Roll this dough out into a ball and divide again into 6 pieces. Roll out each piece. Cover with cling film and leave to rest for about 15 minutes. Flatten the larger piece of dough and then place the smaller one in the middle. Pull the sides to cover. The separation of these two doughs is what gives the pastry the layers. Roll out and repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Roll out to about 5 mm thick. Then roll like a Swiss roll while compacting. Repeat this process. You will notice while rolling out the beautiful layers forming. Cut each of the rolls in 4 portions. Then flatten with your hands. And roll out to about 5 mm thick. Look at those beautiful layers. Fill with the cool down apple filling. And seal with a fork. Fry each of the apple pastries in moderate oil, about 170 degrees Celsius, until a beautiful golden brown color. Dust with icing sugar and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to check out some of these other videos and see you next week.